welcome and welcome back to Aura's Diamond Creations. And today I have a very happy unboxing to show you guys. This is a kit that had restocked, and I was waiting forever for this kit to come back in stock. And I believe I have first saw this kit when I discovered Diamond Art Club, maybe I want to say back in April of this year. March, yeah, like around April time in 2024. So yes, anyways, at the time that I saw this kit, it was sold out and I was heartbroken. And if you know Diamond Art Club, you know that they take an eternity to restock their kits. And what kit did I get? Yo boy, I got the one and only Ghost Cafe by Stephanie Marie. You don't understand. Look at that. Look at that. Just you just don't understand. You just don't. It is a 60 by 75 centimeter kit. It is a square kit. I only do square kits. I'm not a big fan of rounds. There is 66 colors with 3 ABs, 1 electro, aka metallic, 2 fairy dusts, and 1 iridescent, aka crystal drills. Okay, pretty image wrapped around the box. I am just really happy. You have your instructions right here, your kit contents right here. You got at the bottom, you have your image and your information about the kit. Just in case you like to stack them on top of each other, you can now easily find what you're looking for at the bottom of your box. Okay. You don't understand. You don't understand. I was ecstatic when this came back in stock. I hurried up and put it in my cart real quick. If you know, then you know. You just know. Anyways, we have our upgraded toolkit that we now get. We now get an upgraded pen, an upgraded tray. This right here is the upgraded tray. It is stackable and it now has a slidable, removable lid. So that way, you know, if you still got drills in here and you're not done with your section, but you're done for the day or for that moment, you can just easily, you know, close up the lid and then your drills won't be falling all over the place, spilling out your tray if you happen to knock it over, which is great. We get the upgraded stopper right here as well. We have your little wax heart. You get your refillable putty that you can now put in your refillable pen that I will show you in just a second. Or if you want, you can leave it as is or use it as is and just use it in your multi-placers. You got a 7-placer, a thin plastic 7-placer. You get your pen, your new putty pen that they give you. Right here is a single placer that you just pop off and you turn the pen, and eventually putty will come out from this tip here. And if you turn it the other direction, if you turn it this way, then you will also unscrew it completely, and there is a plunger. There's a plunger right here that you can pull out and you can empty out your putty and use and fill it with your wax if you want to, or once you're done with the putty that's already inside, you can put the putty into this tip right here and put the plunger back and screw it back. That's how this pen works. Okay, you also get a 4-placer on the other end of this as well. And as always, you get your bag of baggies. Okay. Put this away. And here, this right here, you get your thank you pamphlet. You get your thank you pamphlet right here. You open it up, and you get your tips and tricks. You get your kit contents right there. Diamond Art Club social media info. You get your 20% off your first time purchasing through the app, whether it's Apple or Android. You get your scan for the Facebook group that you can join, and then your step-by-step instructions right there. This right here is going to be your sticker sheet. This, and this sticker here are all individuals, as well as this one, and this one are all individual as well, which is really cool because then you can use it in your physical logbook if you so choose. You open it up, and here are your colors and your symbols that you need. This kit does not have it. Okay, so certain ones from Diamond Art Club, they're phasing it out now. They're changing it, but you still will, from time to time, get your ABs like this. Anything under 150, so the last one in this case will be 141. Anything under 150 will be your ABs. So you have 3 ABs. And then over here you have your electro or magnetic, which is K. And then your fairy dust, which starts with the letter Z. And then your iridescent, which starts with the letter L. Okay, in the other kits, in the newer upgraded kits or whatever, you will see that your ABs, instead of saying any like 122, instead of saying that, it will be over here with the rest of your special drills, and it'll say AB and then the number code. So it'll be like, say for instance, AB 33866. That's what it would be. That's what it would say. Okay, moving on. Ooh, I got one. A Treasure Quest card. And it is a bronze. It's okay. It's okay. I'm happy to just get one. Once again, these are not guaranteed in all boxes. I'm just happy I've been able to get one in every single one of my boxes so far. This is the upgraded version. On the back, as you see, it says Treasure Quest card, and you can see what level your card is, versus the older versions where it does not say what level your card is, or it does not say Treasure Quest card. It would just say trading cards. You would save these cards so that way you can redeem them for gift cards or a custom diamond painting if you have the right combination of cards. So save those and do not lose them. Okay. Here, as always, your canvas will come wrapped in this plastic protective sleeve. Uh-oh. I'm careful with how I open mine because I still use mine. I still like to use mine. So, yes. Okay. All right. Ooh. Ooh. These are cute already. Color palette. And goes your AB right there, the 141. I'll show you in a little bit, but put this to the side for now. Okay, this one has the plastic with the pink lines on it, and that's fine. And I know for a fact that this canvas will not have the pink lines on the canvas itself. Nope. Okay. Oh, it feels so good to see a small canvas. You just don't know. This is considered like a medium, like a small medium. That's what I call small mediums, is mediums. This is like a medium kit. This is perfect. This is really adorable. I am definitely seeing line blocking. So in line blocking, like color blocking, where you have one section, like the ghosts. How the ghost has like nothing but white. That's color blocking. Line blocking is like how you see the E, how you see the E's, and then the V's, and you know, like lines, but of the same color. That's line blocking. So like the cart, the bottom of the cart right here, that's a good example of line blocking, where you have just one color of one line, but there's different colors going on at the same time. Yep. Okay. Anyways, moving on. The pink lines here that you see on the plastic, it just indicates where the perforations are in the plastic, so that way we can see it better instead of going like this, like we're blind, trying to look for the perforations. We can easily see where they are now. Thank you to Diamond Art Club for listening to the customers. That is the only thing with this cover and the pink lines. Let's see here, we have our image as always at the bottom, along with the information about the kit. You got your code as always, and Diamond Art Club information, social media. And then right here you have the lifetime warranty from Diamond Art Club. Now, like I said, I'm gonna say it again because I just recently started saying it. So for the lifetime warranty, you will get that as long as you purchase through their website or through Amazon, their Amazon storefront. And there will be a, if you get it from there, if you get any paintings from Amazon through Diamond Art Club, you will get a warranty slip that you can go to the website that they tell you to on the slip and register your kit there, so that way you can get that warranty. So still, even though if you get it off of Amazon, you can still register your kit to get the warranty, which is great. But if you do not purchase through Amazon or through their website and you get it from somebody else, you will void that warranty. So therefore you will not get that warranty, because that warranty is for the person who originally bought the kit. So just to let you guys know in advance. So, okay, and then right here, our bottom right and top left corners, we have our legends that show you our symbols and colors and the DMC code of that color. We also have poked and scalloped edges right here, so that way we can prevent the fraying. And Diamond Art Club makes you sparkle logo at the top. One more pan at this cute, adorable kit. You just don't know. I'm gonna see if I can bling this up even more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so we are looking for, let's do the ABs, 1, 2, and 3. We're looking for numbers 1, 2, and 3. So right now, I already tell you, 3 is going to be white. So wherever you see the white, that's where the ABs are going to go. Like right here. Right here, in the middle of the wheel, right here, the outline. Right here, the outline of this big wheel. Same thing with this wheel as well. We have let's see. I thought that was. Okay, well, the ghosts, all the ghosts, every single ghost will be filled with ABs, white ABs. You have a little bit right here for the cups. You got it for the bottle right here, the outlines. Right here for this outline. You got it white and yellow ABs in here. Right over here. The white ABs here. This ghost right here, portion of it, white ABs. And that is it. Number 2 ABs will be here, this little section here. Oh, you can't even see that. I'm so sorry. That little section right there. That's gonna be yellow ABs. A part of this cord here, or string, is number 2 ABs. That's the 2 yellow. This all right here. All of that. Wow. Is 2 ABs. This portion, this right here, all of this, and all of this right here on the bottles, around the bottles. This right here, that right here is all 2 ABs, the yellow ABs. Some right here. We have a few sprinkled in here and here. We have them, all down here. All of this right here. That's 2 ABs. This right here. All of that. That's the 2 ABs. Some here. We got this line here. All of this over here. It's all spread throughout the umbrella. Okay. And that looks like it would be it for number 2. And then 1 is going to be that green color. I'll show you guys the drills in just a second. I got too ahead of myself. I am so sorry. Oops. That's what happens when you're too happy. When you get too excited. That's what happens. So the light green ABs, right here, right here, right here, some here, 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 all of that right here, all the super light green. You got some right here. You got a few here and here, some right here, and right there. Right there and right there. And that's about it. Yeah, so that's like basically the leaves. The green ABs. Okay, that's all the ABs. Now we need our electro, aka metallic drills, which is K4444. So that is where? I'm assuming there's not going to be a lot because I don't see it like that. It's not jumping out at me. Okay. Her glasses. Right here. Her glasses. A little string to her glasses. I think that's it if I can remember correctly. Yep. Yep, just enough for her glasses. Ah, darn. Okay. So now we're looking for this plus sign over here, which is a fairy dust. Like a creamish color, I want to say. That's what it looks like on here. So the fairy dust will also be right here. No, not that one. This one. So it'll be this string here. This cord here. All of this. Okay, we got a little bit here. We have some at the bottom right here. This outline right here. We got some in her dress. Oh, we also have number 2, so the yellow ABs in her hat right here. I did not see that. Okay, some more plus. This is fairy dust right here. And I think, nope. We have some right here. And that's it. Yep, that's it for the plus symbol. And now we need another fairy dust, which is the equal symbol. So that we look like we have a lot of. So we have this over here. This tiny section here. We have some scattered at the bottom. Right here. Got some all on this bottom over here. All of the light color like this, that's the fairy dust, the equal sign. All of that. We have some in the wheels right here. We got some on the cart. We have some here. Here. We have some here. Here as well, and here. Right here. A little bit here. Some here. We got some all up here. Right there, right there, right there. We got a little bit here. Some here. You've got them here, right here, right there. All of that here. Oh. This right here, right there, and right there. And that's it for that fairy dust. And now the famous black dots in the white square. That is your iridescent drill, or your crystal drill. And that will be here. That'll be the light bulbs that are on the string. So here, 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 right there, right there. We got a little bit here, have some here and here. Gonna be here, 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 all of those. And that's gonna be your iridescent trills. And that is all of them. Yeah, that is all of them. Okay, I'm gonna scoot this over, and then we're gonna do what we should have done beforehand and look at the drills. I got too happy, guys. I got too happy. Okay. So, all Diamond Art Club drills or kits come with the name and the number of the kit, so that way if you want to store them separately from each other, you can do so, and it'll be easier for you to find them when you get ready to work on it. If you don't like the sound of crickle crackle plastic, please go ahead and mute while I struggle to open this. And when I'm done struggling, you may go ahead and unmute. Okay. First up, we have our Shine Bright Like a Diamond, our ABs, our white ABs. You can see it right there. Yes, you can. ABs stand for Aurora Borealis. It has the names from the Northern Lights because, as you can see, every way that I turn it and it hits the light, it shows the pretty rainbow colors. These are super bright compared to the fairy dust drills, which we will go see in just a second. And think of Lightning McQueen. Blinding. 141. We have 632, 535, 647. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of that. 840. We've got 2 bags. 967. 2 bags of that. 3772. 2 bags of that. 648. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 648. 3861, 3782, 3371. This is pretty. What is that? I want to say it's like a very pretty, like dark brown, like chocolate, like dark chocolate brown. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay. Next up we have 353, 1, 2, 3 bags of that. 646, 2 bags. 778 with a lonely straggler. 169, 841, 2 bags. 3022, 1, 2 bags of that. 645, 453, 223. Z3856. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. That is our fairy dust drill. You can see there's a light dusting on there of glitter. Think of mica powder, eyeshadow, or even literally think of Tinkerbell. There we go. Think of Tinkerbell coming by and sprinkling her fairy dust all over the drills. Literally, that's what it's like. Okay? It's like a peachy color. Z3856. Shine bright like a diamond. 129 are AB. 129 are yellow. We have 839, 644, 3857, 898. We have 819, 407, 413, 822 with a straggler. 3864. Ooh, Z739. Very pretty cream color. Z739. You can see it. Yeah. That is very adorable. Okay. 3722. 3032. 152. 3072. 3866, 3827, 955, 122. Shine bright like a diamond. Our light green ABs. This is the one that's going to be in the leaves. That's so cute. It's like a I know it looks neon green. I don't know. It's pretty. We've got 936, a little bag of 310, which is lovely. 3828, 352, 3778, and 727. Now my sun wants to start coming out. Okay. We have our iridescent / crystal drill L5200 right here. Okay. Looks like glass or like a mirror effect. 938, 842, 300, 3781, 3713, 3064, 422, 3721, 948, 3774, 913, 3821, 356, 355, and here we go. Our gold metallic K444 metallic drill. The top right here where it looks gold on the top, that is the top portion. The yellow part is the bottom portion of the drill, the part that goes onto the canvas. This is pretty. I really love metallic drills, they're cute. Anyways, 3047, 3777, all these sevens, 3756, and 937. What's up with all these sevens? Anyways, okay guys, that is it. I will go put these drills away, and I'll be back. Do not move. Okay, we are back. The drills are put away. And that right there are the drills to this kit. Now that we know what the colors look like, it's more understandable now. That was my fault. Once again, I got too excited. Things happen. So here is the kit once again. So it looks like one last pan through. She is really adorable, and I cannot wait to start working on her. I'm definitely going to be working on her in the fall, like right when summer starts to end to the beginning of fall. Yep, this is a perfect kit. Anyways, once again, I will leave everything down below. I have a link, a referral link for a $10 off of your first purchase through Diamond Art Club. So if you have not purchased through them before, then you can use that link and you will get that $10 off. I will leave that also down below. I will leave the link for this kit down below as well. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!